In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the node editor to control a material's reflection color. Here is a simple scene with a sphere, a ground plane, and a point light. We see the light in the sphere, but would it be possible to control the rest of the reflection color on the surface? I just changed the point light's color to a reddish one, and did you notice the sphere's reflection color is still light blue? We can see the point light is now green, but the rest of the reflection is still blue. This can be arranged very easily, by using Blender's node editor. This is what normally happens when we use a point light with a different color. Here are the full nodes. Basically, we have separated the reflection part with glossy, and we can change the reflection color by changing the glossy color. We can create a very interesting material by using this method. I'll show you the rest of the scene setup and material details. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.